How to log into DeepSeek AI for the first time. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded the app. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app DeepSeek and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now from here, you are able to log into your account. You can directly provide your credentials and log into your account, or else you can use these options, Google or Apple. In case you have used these options to create your account, just click on it and with that you'll be logged in, or else just type in your credentials manually. I'm going to type in my credentials manually, email address and the password. After you type in, check in for this option, I confirm, then click on login. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into DeepSeek AI for the first time. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.